Hi everybody, ciao a tutti, welcome back to Food Alchemist on Air. Today we are talking about pre, pro and postbiotics in our medium post. And also we are making a special dish with pre, pro and postbiotics. Because of that we are going to start to present all the ingredients of our dishes. Let's go! First of all, I'm going to present the pro and postbiotic sources. We have our dried kefir koji, our almond miso, and our chicken and prawn garum. On the other hand, we have the prebiotic sources that are flax seeds, a sort of kale that is called cabolonero, and garlic. We have ready all our ingredients and we are going to start to make our special dish. We add the chicken prawn garum in our flax seeds and we mix. Now we are going to leave there during 1-2 hours to extract all the soluble fibers. That means prebiotics. So now we are making an almond miso cream. We add the almond miso and water. With our gel of flax seeds and garum, we are going to start to heat it a little bit, and we are going to make an emulsion with oil, thanks to the prebiotics that are present in our flax seeds. Last step of our recipe, we are going to cook our cabolonero and our garlic. Thank you so much for watching this video full of pro, pre and postbiotics, and I hope you continue following us in our Medium account and also in our social medias such as Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter. See you on next Food Alchemist on Air.